This is my Onefinity Elite Foreman. Listen to this. This is the type of noise it makes. When cutting arcs or circles or round things. When it's cutting linearly, straight lines are fine, but circular motions are rough. I bought this machine because it was billed as a high-end hobbyist machine that you could start a business with. But my long-term clients have already rejected work that I've done based on the output that this machine can do. I have over 20 years experience running CNC machines full-time. I have run numerous brands, quality light-duty machines, heavy-duty machines, some with steppers, some with servos. None of them have been crunchy like this. Onefinity is telling me that this is what the machine should be like, and it's normal. I can literally feel the whole table shake as it does that. Those vibrations transfer into the cut, making a super chattery thing. And as you can see, it's not even cutting right now, and I'm getting chatter. You should never be getting chatter in the air. Is anybody else experiencing this type of motion? Please let me know.